This is a contemplation meditation with a letting go theme. You will be guided into meditation. Then you will hear a story. When you're ready, start to gently close down your eyes. Relax all of the muscles in the face. Start to let go of any tension in the upper body and the shoulders. Gently send the breath all the way down to the space of the belly. Just breathing in and out from the space of the belly. Continue to let go of any tension in the hips and legs. Turn your attention to your breathing, traveling in and out. In and out. Like the waves of the ocean. Just traveling in and out. Watching the chest rise and fall. Allow your breathing to take up the full attention of your awareness. Slow down your breathing. Notice the full journey of each inhale and each exhale quietly with yourself for the next few moments. Way down on the South Sea, the natives catch monkeys in a very unusual way. They hollow out a football-sized coconut, leaving a hole in one end just big enough for a monkey to slip in its hand. Inside the hollowed-out coconut, the natives put delicious green bananas, the monkey's favorite food. Almost inevitably, the monkeys will come along and pick up the baited coconut. The monkey puts his hand through the hole in one end and clutches the bananas inside with its fists. However, when he tries to pull out the delicious fruit, he quickly discovers that the hole in the coconut is too small for him to withdraw his banana-filled hand. All the monkey has to do to escape is open his fist and let go of the bananas. Then he can easily pull out his hand, but he doesn't. Alas, the greedy monkey almost never does the logical thing. He tries to carry off the coconut, but of course it's chained securely to a tree. He struggles and screams. He rages and pulls at the coconut until his wrist is raw and bleeding and he himself is exhausted. When the natives come back the next morning to check their trap, they find a battered, broken-spirited monkey who's been caught by his own fist. As humans, we don't put our hands inside coconuts, but we do hold on to things that cause us pain. The past, addictions, relationships, and fears. Think about your life for a moment and start to squeeze your fists. Is there something that you are holding on to? Certain thoughts, past events or relationships, false beliefs about yourself. What does it feel like to hold on to these things? Why are you still holding on to these things? All you have to do is release your hands. Let go. Take a nice breath in and out. You can come back to this story at any time to remind yourself that you always have a choice.